Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, a roof rack, and cruise control. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.